meeting is being recorded.
Hello everybody and welcome back to FX Street. My name is Akash and today we're going to be taking a look at Luna and discuss what's happened since our last discussion. Right, it's really interesting. I want to get into Luna. So before we get into that, right, please make sure to head on over to our YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button. And if you want to stay updated to the hottest trends in the crypto market, make sure to also click on this bell icon. You can give us a follow on Twitter at FXSCrypto, and if you enjoy the content that I put out, make sure to give me a follow as well at Mangeko with the zero at the end. I also have a personal YouTube channel and Telegram group where in this YouTube channel, I explain my thought process on the trades that I'm taking and why I'm taking. Basically, a generalized update of the crypto market. But in Telegram group, I post the trades that I'm taking and a very brief outlook on why I'm taking the trade. So if you're into these sort of content, make sure to hit the subscribe button on my YouTube channel and join the Telegram group. Right, so without further ado, let's get into Luna. Right, the last time we discussed Luna, I just want to point this out, was around just 3 days ago, in which I explained that there was a price fractal, right, where I'm going to explain what this price fractal is. I basically explain the price fractal, and then I talk about how Luna could go all the way up to this declining trend line, which was basically a 50 or a 45% upswing, right? And let's take a look at what's happened since then. So price was somewhere around here, right? And like I mentioned, the price has reached the declining trend line. So let me just give you a brief outlook on what's happening. Cool. So Luna formed a swing low on the 8th of June at roughly $1.7, right? And then the price set 3 equal highs and then swept the low formed on June 8th, which was basically a liquidity run. And since then, Luna price recovered very quickly above this swing high, which is a sign you want to see. If this was indeed a liquidity run, the price is going to recover quickly. If this was not, the price is going to continue to spend a lot of time there or below the swing low. But since the price recovered immediately and started rallying, I took notice of this pattern and I stayed. I think I longed here on personal account, but I'm not sure. Yeah, but either way, the price formed a double top here again, leaving a lot of liquidity, kind of similar to what happened during the first after setting up a first swing low. And after this, the price eventually dropped down, swept the previous low formed on 19 June, which is basically a sweep of the first swing low formed on 8th of June. Now, this is where I kind of started. It felt like a pattern, a repetition. So I kind of took a look at what's happening with RSI, right? The last time the price swept below this first swing low, price was in the oversold zone. Same particular pattern was found here as well. The price was in the oversold zone, and I explained that if this pattern is true, the price could head up to 3 levels. My targets were 3 levels. First one was this declining trend line, which was roughly, since the price was somewhere around here, I was expecting somewhere around an 18% upswing, right? And the price did exactly that. The second level of target was basically $2.6. Beyond, if we kind of got around to this level, there was a pretty good chance price could sweep up above 2.8 and collect liquidity resting above these equal highs. This was my second target. And the third target was basically the equal highs formed, which is basically the range low of this move that was formed here. Like TradingView doesn't have this complete picture, but $3.5 to $10.2 is where Luna formed a range after dropping 88%, right? So this was basically my third target, right? So that's what I expected. So far, things are looking pretty good here for Luna. I want to long this right away, but I'm kind of unsure about what's going to happen with Bitcoin. If the price stays above the 30-day EMA at roughly 21.6 or 22.6, I'm not sure. I think that would be a good sign, and then I'm going to hopefully long Luna back so that it sweeps about 2.6, perhaps even 2.8. Right now, this would be a 48% upswing. But if Bitcoin price breaks down the 30-day EMA at 21.6K, then there is a pretty good chance we could see something similar take place here, where price does this, sweeps below this range low, and this would be another signal that you should probably long around here. But another confirmation after sweeping the low is to watch how the price recovers. As you can see, the first sweep was followed by a quick recovery. The second sweep was also followed by a quick recovery. So if the third sweep also sees a quick recovery, then you can probably long Luna around this point. So that pretty much sums up my take on Luna. If you enjoyed this, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.